The children of the people that you lead know your name. In what context? Well, that's up to you. How many of you got kids? Be honest with me, your children know your boss's name, right? We've got great research mechanisms because we've got great listening mechanisms in 54 countries. And here's just one study of 500 CEOs. Those organizations found that they had a compound annual growth rate double over a 3-year period of their competitors. Why? Because they understood the link between purpose, culture, and leadership. So I'm here in Johannesburg about to speak to over 300 leaders at the Red Bull Energy Summit to share with them what's needed in an ever-changing landscape for a world better led.
Welcome to the stage, the wonderful Adam Pacifico!
I said, "You're the CEO of WD-40, oil in a can." He said, "I'll stop you there." I thought, this hasn't gone well. He said, "It's not oil in a can." He said, "We sell memories." I thought about that. I thought, that's flipping genius. Because he does. As soon as he said that, what did I do? I remembered being 10 years old, riding my bike straight into a lamppost, wheeling it home with my tail between my legs, giving it to my father, who is 95 and still alive and remembers this. And when it came to actually mending the chain, what did my dad go and get? WD-40. You can press the pause button on a computer and it will stop. But when you press the pause button on a human being, that's when we really start to think. And the pandemic was the big red almighty pause button on everybody. What it did do is that people want to be connected, stay connected, and reconnect with people more than ever. And here's a kicker, IQ is not infectious. And so many of us have traded off of that. We've spent years becoming expert, becoming accredited, becoming qualified, becoming best in class, but it's just not infectious. Now, I did one event and someone said to me, there are some leaders in the world right now who are very powerful, who are very wealthy, who are very successful, who are not what you're talking about. And I would agree. But like all these things, the question for you is, you have a choice of the leader you want to be. The future of leadership is deeply human. AI will do the rest. And I just want to say thank you very much indeed, folks. It's been a real pleasure. Thank you.